Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about BTS fan illegally sports Suga smiling brightly with friends in first update in months after DUI and controversy. Army can finally breathe now as they have been worried about Suga mental and physical health after he had go to a thought much scrutiny due to the DUI controversy last year. A recent friend report suggests that he is now doing well. BTS Suga had a difficult time last year due to the duo controversy. I thought the case was closed with Hip King. A fine fans have not heard from him a sign since then after many months. A recent update has a somewhat late army worries to reset. To reset, they are now celebrating finally looking forward to the Suga return. Recently, fan account posted on X former Twitter that they had spotted the rappers smiling brightly with a friend. I saw BTS Junggi Hoon at the approaching video around 7:10 p.m. He was with friends, wearing a black cap, a black short and plaid jacket, and a white mask. The fan the description matched with a Suga casual style. Please do not worry, he seemed to be doing really well. He was smiling quietly with a friend. The person who informing army about the K-pop idol developing the tweet and gently went viral online with he was smiling widely trending all over ex-BTS fans were rejoiced to hear about the pair after a long time since in dual controversy there has been a little to no news about Suga so fans were concerned about the mental and physical health. However, the recent update is now raising hope about is returning to music soon. A hope for the reviews in 2024. Suga was under security for drunk driving an electric scooter. Although he did not case mania qualities or a description, he was heavily criticized by netizens. The report also mentioned that the blood alcohol content at the time of the incident was around of 0.27%, which is at last 7 times higher than the legal limit. However, this figure was never confirmed by the police. Later, when the BTS member was summoned for questioning, he apologized publicly, blowing trees in the front of the reports. The case ended. Third summary in indictment and the court concurred in to pay 15 million cure as a fine for DUI. Since then, DUI has been keeping a low profile. He did not interact with the fans from a long time. It has also been more than a year since release any solo music. He is currently completing an alternative military service. He is set to be a discharge in June 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.